Okay, guys, it's Angelo Christian here with another great edition of Real Estate Insider. Today we're going to be talking about credit repair and why credit's so important when you're trying to buy a house. And today we are joined by our credit expert, Mr. Nick Cubito. Hey, man, how's it going?
Doing
Thank
well,
you so
man.
much for coming on the show.
No problem.
How are you?
Doing good.
Okay, cool. So, guys, today we're talking about probably, we get 100, 150 phone calls here a day.
Yeah.
And I'd say half the people have credit issues. They don't qualify. Their bank told them no. They have a 550 credit, a 570 credit, a 580 credit, and they think they can't get a home loan because they tell them the bank says you have to have a 700 credit score, 680 credit score, and you can't get a mortgage, or you're spending $100, $200 a month, $3,000 a month for credit repair, and you're not seeing any results, right? Or it's taking forever. It's taking a year or 2 years. So one thing that's very unique about our company, though, what we do here, so we're a mortgage company. We give you the loan, but we also have a program called Fresh Start Credit Booster Program, where it's free, absolutely free. There's no strings attached. There's no gimmicks, where we help you with boosting up your credit and clean up your credit for free and pre-qualifying you at the same time so you get qualified for that house. So basically the way this works is if you call us and let's say that, for example, we're working with a customer this morning, his income is $6,000 a month, he's eligible for a $180,000 home, he has a 540 credit score, we run him through the Fresh Start program where we go through a strategy on how to boost up his credit and get him qualified for that loan. And then in August, when his credit's ready, he's able to get into the house. So we're going to talk to Nick today. He's our expert. He's gonna break it down, tell us how it works, and the stuff that he actually goes through to clean up the credit. But I just want to let everybody know that if you're spending $100 a month with Lexington Law or some other company out there, you can stop doing that. You can give us a call, and we can help you with getting you into the home and clean up your credit. And you don't have to pay for that. It's something that we do. We offer exclusively to our customers that we're going to give a mortgage to. So anyway, Nick, thank you so much. I mean, now we just want to let everybody know out there. Talk to us about about how important credit is when you're buying a house. And what do you do? You're the guru, the magic. I mean, what's going on?
Well, no, credit is extremely important when actually getting a home. If you have a score of about a 450 to 500, there's pretty much not really a way. No one's really going to take you to get a mortgage. So this is where our program is going to step in.
Okay.
So with this, it's like he said, fresh start. So I will actually personally be sending out these dispute letters on your behalf. So within about a couple months' time, all the collections that you might have are actually going to be removed. In which once all this has been removed, your score is going to jump all up, and then hey, you're going to be ready for a loan, and we'll move forward.
Okay, so kind of, can you break that down for everyone? Because you said dispute letters, and I think you maybe, I know that you're, way up here, and I'm still trying to understand that. So, let's say somebody has a 550 credit score,
yeah,
and they have, medical collections, auto repossession, $10,000 to $12,000 in credit card collections. Some of them are charge-offs. Obviously, when you're trying to buy a house, the underwriter kind of frowns on that.
Yeah.
Let's say they even have tax liens. I've seen you had a customer that had $100-some thousand in tax liens.
That's right.
How do you deal with that to get that off the credit?
So basically, how the process works is very similar to what the other large companies are doing, sending out the dispute letters. And basically what you're doing is we're verifying that information, okay? And it's actually, studies have shown 79% of all the collections and negative stuff on your credit report have errors.
Oh, wow. 79%.
79%, that's
wow.
Okay. You know what I mean? So,
okay.
And that's the reason why we're trying to challenge those errors. So once I do find those errors, all those are going to be removed, and 79%, that really think about it, that's really crazy.
It is huge. So if it's inaccurate, then you're saying that it could potentially get deleted?
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. It can be deleted off the credit report indefinitely.
Okay, so therefore, as a result, that score would go from a 550 to a 640 or whatever.
It will jump all the way up.
And if they don't, so if the creditor doesn't respond to the disputes or the settlements, then within, 60 days or something that they have?
30 days.
30 days.
30 days.
Then it's deleted.
That's completely deleted if they don't respond.
Wow.
Exactly.
So you guys out there, if you're stuck with that credit score, don't pay higher interest rates on your credit cards, your car, and your house. Give us a call. We can help you to boost up your credit, to get you approved, to get you that great interest rate, to get you the zero down financing, and you don't have to pay thousands of dollars to clean up your credit. We can help you and do it for you for free, because our mission here is to empower you, to give you all the information, to give you the freedom to get the best.
Trying to get a loan here, and all the banks are giving me trouble about my credit score. And I heard you guys talking about this letter that you guys send out to try and get this stuff taken off my credit. Do I need to do anything? And then once it sounds like you guys do a lot of the work, but
Yeah.
once it's done, how long does that take to come off of my credit score? I mean, how quickly do you see the results?
I'm gonna defer, let Nick handle that.
Okay, so when it comes down for disputing stuff, I mean, that's something that I'm going to take the heavy lifting on. Okay?
Okay.
I will personally send out the dispute letters on your behalf, and the results, depending on the level of how many collections you have on the credit report, on average, you're probably estimating about 6 to 8 months
Okay.
to really see some results. The first couple months is verifying the information, but the real results are going to come down the 4 to 6 to 8 months when I really start narrowing everything down. So within the 6 to 8 months.
Doesn't it all, Joe? What's your credit score, man?
It's at 570.
Okay, with a 570, I mean, what? I mean, 3 months, you could probably get to a 620, right? I mean,
Yeah.
600, 620.
Yeah. I mean, at that.
It depends too, right? I mean, you might be
Yeah.
able to get to a credit analyzer and get some stuff deleted,
Yeah.
or pay down some stuff. You're out. I mean, what would you say? I mean,
You know, credit report is like a snowflake. Every credit report is absolutely different. So a lot of different things can reflect your credit score, such as your credit utilization. So that depends on how much you're spending versus
Right.
your limit. So
Right.
Paying down on some cards will increase your score from
Right.
a 570 to a 585. You know, if you have any late payments, you know, that's something we can dispute and get those off. There's a number of different things that can.
Joe, where are you? You're in Houston.
Yeah, kind of the like Cyprus.
Okay, where are you looking? Are you looking to buy in Cyprus?
Yeah.
Okay, and what's your, if you don't mind me asking, what's your monthly income before
it's about,
taxes?
What was that?
Monthly income before taxes?
Before taxes, about 4,600.
Okay, so you're making about 4,600 a month. Did you serve in the military?
No, I didn't.
Okay, and as far as your monthly bills, what would you say your monthly bills are for like your credit cards and car payments and loans?
Probably about 22, 23.
Okay, and are you a first-time buyer?
I've owned a house before.
How long has it been since you've owned a home?
I've been renting for about 4 years. So about
Okay, if you
80
haven't owned a home in the last 3 years, you're actually considered a first-time buyer.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so the reason I bring that up is because you can use a first-time buyer tax credit in the state of Texas and get up to $15,000 of assistance for down payment and closing costs. With your income to debt ratio, you can go up to about a $180,000 home. So based on what you're telling me, so what Nick's saying here is what we would do is go through the Fresh Start, the credit boost program, It's going to take about 2 to 3 months. And like I said, you don't pay for that service. You're not actually paying for the credit repair. It's all inclusive, all part of the package. And
Cool.
so you're looking at. I mean, now it's you're almost at the end of June. You could probably be in a home by October.
Yeah, sounds about right.
Something like that, and potentially qualify for down payment assistance.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, my wife and I were trying to get in before like school, but that's not.
Well, I mean, we can try. I mean, I know
Yeah.
that. I mean, school starts in August, but we can definitely try for that. I mean, it just depends. What we'll do is we'll go through your credit, see exactly where you're at, and how. I would say that that 570 is fine. Most of the people that call us, they're at a 570, 580,
Yeah.
560.
At
Okay.
a 570, that is a small. I mean, there is something on your credit report that I could probably jump it up an extra maybe 30 points or so
Yeah.
in very
Okay.
quick amount of time.
Yeah.
So
Alright.
that seems very feasible.
Yeah, so I would say that if you're looking to buy in Cyprus, again, you qualify for down payment assistance and for closing costs. And that's the whole thing that I'm trying to make people aware of. You may go to your bank. I don't know who you bank with, and you don't have to mention their name, but do they let you know that you qualify for down payment assistance and grants for up to $15,000?
No.
Okay. Have you even talked to your bank about getting a mortgage?
Yeah.
And what did they say?
They said it's not going to happen.
Why?
They just just because of the low credit score that I've
Low
got.
credit score. Yeah, they're not going to even help you with the loan. See, that's the whole difference. Look at, and I'm not knocking your bank. We're not a depository. We don't accept deposits here. But my point is this: you bank with them, you give them your money. They won't even give you money for a mortgage to buy a
I
house.
know. Yeah.
And we're repairing your credit and going to get you into the house. We're not charging you anything up front. There's no contract. There's no commitment. There's no obligation. We're here to help you in our mission to help you get into a house. Now, some people may say that's crazy, but that's why we're here, to make a difference, and to empower
I
people to
appreciate
get them, the best possible loan they can so they can, because I believe that every hardworking person deserves to own a house. And so if you want to own a house, if you're renting, and you're tired of renting and wasting your money throwing away, it's time to get into a house. Don't be scared or bashful about your credit. We can help you to get into a home and make it happen.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, everyone can get approved. I mean, this is the point, and this is what separates us from everyone else.
Yeah.
I can assure you.
I agree with that.
I don't think any other mortgage company is actually doing this at all. I've never heard.
No,
of it.
they don't. They don't, because that's the thing, though. I mean,
and it's free, no catches.
there's no catches, man. No, I mean, here's the thing. We're in business. We're a for-profit company.
Yeah.
We want to do your loan. Okay? So we want to do your loan. So we are trying to figure out how can we help you, because you deserve to own a house. Okay? Like I said, you can buy a $180,000 home. If the challenger's credit, let us solve the challenge. Let us solve the problem.
Yeah.
As opposed to you, because do you want to keep renting and staying where you're at for the rest of your life, Joe?
No.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. That's why we want to do this, so we can take you from point A to point B, so you can have the life that you aspire to, that you want to live, so you can enjoy your life with your wife, and if you have children, in the home that you want to own. When you rent, you're wasting thousands of dollars, and it doesn't go anywhere. There's nothing to show for it. Anyway, man, if you're serious or you're interested to get help with it, come by my office. You can call me at 832-431-6331. That's my direct line, or come by the office. We're here in North Houston. We lend nationwide. We can do this in all 50 states. But I seriously want to help you. There's no charge, no contract, or any commitment, but I'd like to meet with you and see what we can do.
So I meet with you or Nick or?
I mean, you can meet with. You could start with Nick, and then he'll review with you,
Yeah.
and he'll be able to help you.
Okay.
I mean, he does lending too, and but yeah, we definitely would love to take you to the next step. So can you come by and meet us at the office
Yeah. Where are you guys located?
in North Houston, in Humble?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a little bit of a trek from Cyprus, but that's
Yeah, that's fine. But I mean, hey,
if it's gonna help me
that's
get a
not going to
house,
stop you
sure.
from owning a house, is it?
No.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thanks for calling, Joe. We got to bounce, man.
All right. Thanks.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye. Anyway, guys, the bottom line here is that we're here to help you to get you into a home. Give us a call. My name's Angelo Christian. This is Nick Cubito. You can reach us at angelochristianmortgage.com. Follow us on Facebook at Angelo Christian Mortgages, or on YouTube or Instagram. You can follow us there too. We come out every single day and give you great content to educate you and empower you, to give you all the information so you can be informed and get the best home loan, get the best financing. Don't get ripped off. Give us a call. Check and make sure you're getting the best option for your loan, your credit, whatever it is. Contact us first. Let us see what we can do. Even if you don't go with us, that's fine. Let us see what we can offer you. At least you have the options and you have the freedom to choose, and you can find out what programs are actually going to benefit you and help you before you have to put 20 or 30% down and spend thousands of dollars. You may not have to do that. So we may have a solution for you to get you into the house with a cheaper payment, and you don't have to pay for your credit repair. You know, we may be able to get your closing costs included. So give us a call, Angelo Christian, 832-431-6331. Well, peace out, guys. We'll see you next week.